Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 8th. Dear students, we discussed some of the properties of metals. So, in the previous video, we discussed that the metals they are very hard, and these metals they can be changed into sheets. This property of metal is called as the malleability. Malleability is the process by which the metals are beaten into thin sheets when we hammer these metals. So similarly, another property of metals is that the metals when drawn, they are drawn into wires, long thin wires, like we have a copper wire and we have this aluminium wire. So aluminium and copper, even gold, they are ductile metals, and because when we beat them with a hammer they are drawn into thin wires. So dear students, that property of metal is called as the ductility. Similarly, another property of these metals is that they conduct electricity. You see here in this picture what we have made an electric circuit. This is a 1.5 volt cell. This 1.1 volt cell is connected to the bulb. You see in between here we have kept the iron nail. This connects one terminal to the another terminal. So when this iron nail is kept in between the wire, you see the electric current is passed. It means that this iron nail is the best conductor of electricity. It conducts electricity. Now, I want to remove this iron nail if we use a piece of charcoal or any other material, like we use rubber that do not conduct electricity. So if we use any metal here in which connects one terminal of the battery to the another terminal, so whether we use copper, whether we use aluminum, whether we use this gold, all conduct electricity. The lamp glows here, which means that electric current is passed through these metals. So in nutshell we can say that the metals are good conductors of heat. This example shows us that metals are good conductors of electricity. So dear students, as we know that the metals are drawn into wires, this property is called as ductility. So it means the metals are not broken when we beat them, they are drawn into wires.